I am deaf, and a cochlear implant system powers my hearing. To me, the world was once a glass world. I could see everyone, but there was always a silent gap. Natural voices are just electronic pulses and visual signals to my eyes. Living with Asperger's and ADHD made this world a sensory storm. It didn't understand my logic. The friction left scars. I refused to be defined by the silence. I chose to try and error my way to healing. I dove into drone technology, keeping pace with the speed of the future. The moment I flew my own design, the gap vanished. My unseen knowledge and skills, the way I process patterns, is now my superpower. Today, I am a drone expert. I lead a team monitoring our city's safety. My disability is not a barrier, it is a specialized interface. I am shaping the future. I am a drone hero.